I made a deal for one more tune under the bleeding light of the moon. A broken string, a crooked grin. I played my part, let the sin begin. Oh, the devil's got my bar tab, and my soul's the only tip I had. He left while I pour another shot. The devil's got my bar tab, and I'm running out of what I've got. Smoke curls up from the edge of the bar. Whiskey burns like a dying star. Every chord another chain I strung through the weight of the pain. And the jukebox hums while my freedom runs. The devil's got my bar tab, and my soul the only tip I had. He laughs while I pour another shot. The devil's got my bar tab, and I'm running out of what I've got. I sing to the dark 'cause it's all I know. Every verse a debt I owe. The echoes laugh as they take their toll. Each word a brick in a burning
He called me an angel with devil eyes. I smiled, I never apologized. The moonlight danced where shadows grow, a hint of heat beneath the snow. Sad and sin, soft and slow. He'll never leave, he'll never know. Whispered lies, sweet and thin, wrapped in the folds of satin sin. A glass of red, a stolen glance. We play this game, a crooked dance. His words like silk, they brush my skin. A fleeting promise where we begin. The clock ticks faint, the air turns tight. Desire never leave, he'll never know. Whispered lies, sweet and thin, wrapped in the folds of satin sin. The bass walks low, my voice like wine. He drinks it all, divine decline. A kiss of smoke, a fleeting flame, and yet tomorrow we'll play the same.
I've been walking these streets where the shadows never sleep. Neon flickers like old memories I can't keep. The trumpet cries my pain down Bourbon Street. Every note reminds me of a love I couldn't beat. Under the whiskey moon, I'm losing time, bleeding blues through this heart of mine. Smoke and sin, they sound the same. Every song's a scar that whispers my name. My guitar's rusted, but it still cries true. Strings on the heartbreak I can't undo. Each chord a memory of losing you. Rusted rain, they sound the same. Soft but cut like flame. Love's a wound that don't forget your name. The sky's a mirror, cracked and gray. Clouds keep chasing chasing the light away. The echo of views where shadows play. Rust and rain, they sound the same. Both whisper soft but cut like flame. Love's a wound that don't forget your name. Lightning flashes through the bay. Shadows dance, I call your name, playing blues beneath the rain. Rust and rain, they sound the same. Both whisper soft but cut like flame. Love's a wound that don't forget your name. Church bells ring down Basin Street. Dusty shoes and restless feet. Saints and sinners both find defeat. In New Orleans, the night forgives. We sin just to remember we live. Oh, we live. Yeah, we live. Yeah, we live. Candles flicker in a shadowed hall. Confession whispered, rise and fall. Whiskey prayers and a trumpet's call. In New Orleans, the night forgives. We sin just to remember we live. Oh, we live. Yeah, we live. Yeah, we live. Trumpets cry. Trumpets cry. Angels fade. Angels fade. The blues is the price we paid. Oh, the blues. The price we paid. New Orleans, the night forgives. We sin just to remember we live. Oh, we live. Yeah, we live. Yeah, we live.
My heels clicking rhythm with regret. Love left me a promise I can't forget. Streetlights hum while shadows stretch thin. The night is a mirror and I'm staring in. Broken glass under my shoes. Dancing slow to these blues. Each step cuts, but I refuse to stop dancing to these blues. Whiskey whispers secrets in my ear. Each sip drowns the echoes I fear. jukebox coughs up another sad song, but it's the silence that feels so wrong. Broken glass under my shoes, dancing slow to these blues. The pain reminds me I still choose to keep swaying to these blues. Piano moans like an open wound. My heart beats heavy and out of tune. The bass line drags like a guilty chain, but the melody keeps me sane. Broken glass under my shoes, dancing slow to these blues. Bleeding souls, but I'll never lose this bittersweet waltz with the blues. Sweet on the tongue, poison inside. He was a storm I couldn't hide. Velvet whispers, shadows grew, a fleeting spark, but the damage knew. Dark honey, sweet and cruel, I broke the rules, became the fool. Dripping slow, it stained my soul. Dark honey, the cost untold. His laughter lingered, a haunting tune, a midnight promise under the moon. Eyes like amber, lies like gold. I tasted the warmth, but it turned cold. Dark honey, sweet and cruel, I broke the rules, became the fool. Dripping slow, it stained my soul. Dark honey, the cost untold. My voice is fire, my heart's the price. I sing the blues of sacrifice. The echoes burn, the shadows dance. I paid in full for fleeting chance. Dark honey, sweet and cruel, I broke the rules, became the fool. It stained my soul. Dark honey, the cost untold. Every street remembers it all. Cobblestones whisper, shadows fall. Ghosts of the quarter dance with me in the light of memory. Oh, they spin, oh, they glide through the dreams we cannot hide. Laughter lingers faint and low from hidden courtyards long ago. A sigh, a song, a faded glow. Candles flicker, stories stay. The past won't ever drift away. Ghosts of the quarter dance with me in the light of memory. Oh, they spin, oh, they glide through the dreams we cannot hide. Trumpet weeps, piano prays. Love still haunts these alleyways. Steps unseen, a phantom sway, the heart remembers. Come what may. He said I was trouble wrapped in lace. Whiskey whispers danced on his face. I just laughed, let the dice roll free. Cards in my hand, but the game's on me. I'm the queen of Bourbon Street. Every man a promise I'll never keep. They all chase, but they never stay. Crowns ain't heavy when you give them away. Lamps flicker, casting shadows tall. My heels click loud through the jazz-filled hall. Smoke curls up, secrets steep. What I don't say cuts deeper than deep. I'm the queen of Bourbon Street. Every man a promise I'll never keep. I spin 'em round, a carousel game. Every king forgets my name. Trumpet cries, lights burn gold. I sing my story, bold and cold. The night don't sleep, and neither do I. A siren's hymn beneath the sky. for another drink. Thinking hurts less than to think. The glass is full, but I feel so dry. A hollow laugh in a crowded sky. Gold and whiskey, my only friends. Every song begins where love ends. Liquid courage, a liar's embrace. Gold and whiskey, they fill the space. The jukebox moans in a lonesome key. It knows the tune of misery. My shadow waltzes against the wall. Each step a stumble, each step a fall. Gold and whiskey, my only friends. Every song begins where love ends. They hold me tight when the night descends. Gold and whiskey, they make amends. My voice cracks, but the crowd don't care. They came for pain, I got to share. I sing my truth, raw and unfair. They pay to feel what they can't bear. Gold and whiskey, my only friends. Every song begins where love ends. A broken heart, they help me defend. Gold and whiskey, it's all pretend. The night listens, soft and still. Every whisper bending my will. The shadows curl, the air is tight. A lover lost in the arms of night. Whispers in the smoke remain. Every song a trace of pain. The melody drifts, the words decay. But love, like smoke, won't blow away. A glass half empty, stained with red. Echoes linger where he once tread. the clock ticks slow, the world unwinds. I chase the smoke he left behind, whispers in the smoke remain, every song a trace of pain. The melody drifts, the words decay, but love, like smoke, won't blow away. Trumpet fades, lights go dim, but I still sing of him. A lonely note, a muted cry. Love's a ghost that won't say goodbye. The embers glow, they flicker and fade. His name still haunts the songs I've made. A silhouette in a haze of gray, forever here, yet far away. My love is a thread, thin and worn but real, and the ache in my chest, honey, that's all I feel. Like a record spinning slow, the same sad refrain. Will this heart ever mend, or just feel the sweet pain? Oh, my blue lace heart, torn apart, still beating to this rhythm, this art. A blue lace heart, broken from the start, but it's the only one I've got. I trace the lines of sorrow like notes on a page, a story whispered softly from an earlier age. Every sigh a melody, every tear a refrain, trying to wash away the memory, but it's still the same. Oh, my blue lace heart, torn apart, still beating to this rhythm, this art. A blue lace heart, broken from the start, but it's the only one I've got. Each note I sing, a piece of me I lose, but darling, that's the tune that I choose. A bittersweet symphony played just for two, me and my blue lace heart, and the memory of you. Oh, my blue lace heart, torn apart, still beating to this rhythm, this art. A blue lace heart, broken from the start, but it's the only one I've got. and a sinner all the while. My shadow whispers truths untold, a story carved in tarnished gold. Whiskey halo dim but bright guides me home through endless night. It bends, it breaks, it burns my skin, but somehow still it pulls me in. A mirror shows what I can't face, the jagged edges time won't erase. I walk on glass, I breathe in air. Each step forward turns to past. Ooh, whiskey halo dim but bright guides me home through endless night. A crooked crown, a heavy flame, I wear it still, I take the blame. Saxophone sidelights glow red, my soul's alive though love is dead. Oh, the organ hums, the brass will cry, while whiskey wings refuse to die. Ooh, whiskey halo dim but bright guides me home through endless night. Its glow may fade, its warmth may sting, but I can't fight what it will bring. She walks through the haze, voice like sin, eyes that burn where hearts have been. A shadow lingers, soft and slow, a whispered secret I'll never know. Velvet smoke, sweet and cruel, love's a game and I'm the fool. It wraps me tight, I lose control. Velvet smoke, it owns my soul. Her laughter curls like a sly charade, each note a dagger, love's masquerade. The room spins around, I've lost the floor, but she just smiles and asks for more. The air grows thick, the lights turn blue, her spell's a net I'm tangled through. Velvet smoke, sweet and cruel, love's a game and I'm the fool. It wraps me tight, I lose control. smoke, it owns my soul. Trumpet sighs, lights fade low. I'm the fire you never know. Each note she plays, a sweet disguise, a love that lives but always dies.
Shadows crawl across the stage, bluesman trapped inside his cage. Strings hum a mournful tune, a melody wrapped round the moon. Low light blues, slow and deep, singing promises I couldn't keep. Low light blues, heavy and gray, haunted by the words I couldn't say. Whiskey glass cracked at the rim, echoes linger, the room grows dim. Neon buzz, a ghostly glow, time drips like wax, painfully slow. Low light blues, slow and deep, singing promises I couldn't keep. Low light blues, heavy and gray, haunted by the words I couldn't say. The bass walks slow, the keys confess, this is how the lost find less. Trumpet cries, a lonesome call, every note a rise, a fall. Low light blues, slow and deep, singing promises I couldn't keep. Low light blues, heavy and gray, haunted by the words I couldn't say. The crowd is gone, but I still sing for the ghosts that bourbon brings. The clock's hands crawl, the bar lights fade, my shadow's here. We've both overstayed. last call for the broken hearts. I've been here since the start. Raise a glass to the love we lose. It's all here in the last call blues. The bartender clings, the ashtray side, and the neon hum whispers goodbye. But I can't leave, no, not tonight. This empty stool just feels so right. The jukebox croons a tired refrain. Each note feels like a drop of rain. Last call for the broken hearts. I've been here since the start. Raise a glass to the love we lose. It's all here in the last call blues. The saxophone knows my truth, plays my pain like living proof. Each note curls a smoky wisp, echoes my soul, a shattered lisp. Smoke and silence, side by side, under a moon that never hides. Shadows stretch and time unwinds, a stolen moment undefined. Cigarette sky, my last goodbye. Every drag, another lie. Ashes fall where whispers die. Cigarette sky, oh so right. The streets are slick with neon tears. Echoes play on old veneers. Footsteps fade, the night unfolds. A story told, but never bold. And the stars, they flicker, they fade, just embers in a smoky vein. Cigarette sky, my last goodbye. Every drag, another lie. Ashes fall where night sky. Oh, so right. The city hums like a dying tune, and I'm gone before it's noon. The air's a ghost of yesterdays, lingering in a purple haze.